On the other side, matrix-based methods try to represent a function to map the relationship of embedding vectors of the input data. As an example of that, we use a linear regression as a function. This paper here was one of the first approach on this direction. They tried to learn an embedded representation with two-stream network. Another work on this direction is this paper here, in where they try to learn an embedding by an attention mechanism. Leveraging on this idea, this work here tried to learn an encoded vector as an input of the attention mechanism. The main advantage of this work is that they were the first to consider the long-tail relation in the link prediction task. This work used a machine network as well by performing a joint optimization of neural network models. Another direction is prototypical networks for future learning. Here we have two papers based on the idea of the prototypical networks. Finally, we have the last type of meta-learning approach, which is model-based. Here we update parameters in a few training steps by leveraging structures to hold information. One of the most relevant work in this direction is the meta-learning with memory augmented neural network approach, in which they use a retrieval mechanism based on neural Turing machines. Other work is meta-networks, in which use the idea of fast weights. Finally, we have a summary of the future research direction. In the y-axis, we have the meta-learning approaches, and in the x-axis, we have the knowledge graph tasks. Red circles indicates unexplored areas, and yellow ones indicates medium explored research areas, and green ones indicates explored areas.